how to solve percentage problems kapag ang nawawala naman ay ang base. Okay, so itry natin itong for examples na ito, gagamit tayo ng dalawang solution. Okay, so number 1, 10 is 50% of what number? So yung first solution na ipapakita ko sa inyo ay tinatranslate lang natin sa equation ito. And then yung number 2, papakita natin yung solution gamit yung formula ng PRB, percentage, rate, and base. Okay, so try muna natin ang number 1. 10 is 50% of what number? So, i-translate natin sa equation, just write 10 is means equal sign. So, 10 is 50%, pwede nating gawin na agad fraction yan. Ang ibig sabihin ng percent ay divided by 100, so pwede na nating isulat yan as 50 over 100. Okay? 50% is 50 over 100. Of means multiplication. What number, hindi natin alam yung number na yon, kaya lalagyan ko na lang siya ng n. Okay? So, ngayon, ang gagawin natin, solve for n, kailangan tanggalin natin si 50 tsaka si 100 para mawala itong 50 at 100. I-multiply lang natin sa reciprocal, both sides. Or ito yung unang solution in terms of fraction. Yung pangalawang solution, ang gagawin natin, ito yung another solution, in decimal naman. So, 10 is 50% of what number? Ganito rin, papalitan ko lang itong 50% ng decimal. So, we have 10 equals 50% in decimal. Tanggalin lang si percent symbol, move ng dalawa. So, magiging na lang siyang 0.5. 10 equals 0.5 times n. Okay? So, alin man dito sa dalawa ang pwede nating maging solution. Yung una in fraction form, yung pangalawa naman in decimal. Karamihan yung ginagawa itong decimal. So, i-divide na natin ito, tanggalin natin si 0.5. So, divide both sides by 0.5. Divide both sides by 0.5. So, cancel ito. Pagpalitin ko lang ng pwesto, n is equal to 10 divided by 0.5. Kapag nagdi-divide ng decimal, kailangan gawin nating whole number ang divisor natin. So, i-move natin ito ng isa. Siyempre, pag minove mo yung denominator, i-move mo rin yung numerator. So, add tayo ng 0. So, therefore, n is equal to 100 divided by 5. So, divide lang. Madali ng i-mental, no? So, 10 divided by 5. 10 divided by 5 is 2. Meron pang 0, kaya ang final answer natin ay 20. So, paano naman itong isa? 10 is 50% of what number? Pwede nating i-lowest term ito. So, we have 10 equals 50 over 100. O, tanggalin muna natin yung tigisang 0. Tapos 5 over 10, i-lowest term natin, equal lang siya sa 1/2. 1/2 times n. So ngayon, para matanggal si 1/2, i-multiply natin both sides by 2. So multiply natin both sides by 2 para makancel si 1/2 at si 2. Ang magiging sagot na lang natin, n is equal to 2 times 10. So same answer ang hinahanap natin na base ay 20. 50% of 20 or kalahati ng 20 ay 10. Okay, eksakto. Okay, so alin man sa dalawa, fraction form, ito naman kabila ay decimal. Okay, so next number 2, gamitin natin yung formula. 55 is 40% of what number? So gamitin natin yung triangle natin. Triangle, so sa triangle, yung P nasa taas, tapos R and B yung nandito sa baba. So, alamin muna natin yung mga given. Kapag may percent, automatic. 55 is 40%. Yung 40% automatic, yan yung rate. Hindi dapat kayo magkakamali sa rate kasi yun lang yung may percent. So, meron tayong rate. Ano naman itong 55? So, tandaan, at yung kasunod nitong is, or bago yung is, yan yung percentage. Tapos, yung kasunod na, ito namang off, yung palatandaan sa base, ay yung off. Off, what number? So, ang hinahanap natin ay ito yung base. Okay? So, therefore, rate is 40%. Ang P natin ay 55. Hinahanap natin ay base. Kapag base ang hinahanap, ang formula natin, dahil nasa baba, ang magiging formula ay percentage divided by rate. Kasi nasa taas yung P. Okay? Kaya ang ginagamit ko, laging itong isa kasi walang kakabisaduhin, itatranslate nyo lang sa mathematical statement. Itong isa, kapag hindi nyo na nakalimutan nyo yung formula, baka magkapalit-palit yung division at multiplication. Kaya I prefer itong unang solution. Okay, so we have, ang hinahanap natin ay B. Ang formula kay B ay percentage divided by rate. So we have percentage divided by rate. So we have, ang P natin ay 55. Ang rate naman natin, 40%, i-convert na natin sa decimal. 40% in decimal, that is equal to 0.40 or simply 0.4. So 0.4 na lang. Okay? So 0.4 and then i-divide lang natin. So pag nagdi-divide ng decimal, yung divisor gagawin nating whole number. So i-move lang natin 1 decimal point to the right. Yung 55, ganun din, i-move natin. So therefore, nandito na yung decimal point, lagay tayo ng 0 dito. We have 550 divided by 4. So, i-divide lang natin using long division. So, we have 550 divided by 4. 5 divided by 4, we have 1. 1 times 4 is 4. Subtract, we have 1. Bring down 5. 5 divided by 4, we have 3. 3 times 4, we have 12. Subtract, so we have 3. Bring down 0. 30 divided by 4, that is 7. 7 times 4 is 28. Subtract, meron pa tayong 2. So, dahil hindi pa nag-0, dagdag tayo ng isang decimal. Itapat na agad yung decimal point dito. And then, bring down natin, ayun, eksakto na, 20 divided by 4, that is equal to 5. 5 times 4 equal na siya sa 20. So, 20 minus 20 equals na sa 0. So, therefore, the answer is 137.5. So, ito na yung final answer natin. So, 40% of 137.5 equals 55. Okay, so next, number 3, 45 is 200% of what number? So, burahin na natin ito. So, ang gagawin ko ng solution, yung mas madali, itong tinatranslate sa equation. 45 is 200% of what number? So, we have 45 is means equal sign. 200%. So, pwedeng kung kaya nyong i-diretso na, i-convert sa decimal, 200% is equivalent to 2. Kasi ang 200, ibig sabihin yan, 200% is 200 over 100. Okay? Of, so multiplication and then what number? Let's say n. 200 divided by 100 equal lang yan sa 2. So, we have 45 is equal to 2 times n or simply 2n na lang. And then, solve for n, divide both sides by 2. So, ayan na yung magiging value ng n natin. N is equal to, i-divide lang natin manually yan. So, 45 divided by 2. We have 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Subtract 0. So, bring down 5. 5 divided by 2 is another 2. Times 2, we have 4. Subtract, may 1 pa. So, add tayo ng isang 0. Tapat yung decimal point dito. Bring down, 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. So, therefore, the answer is 22.5. Okay, so ito na yung number. 200% of 22.5, that is equal to 45. Or simply, pag sinabing 200%, double lang natin. 2 times 22.5 equals 45. Okay, so i-try nyo naman ang number 4. 12 is 75% of what number? Comment your answer.